Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove objects from videos. Some are quite simple, some are not. I'm just gonna use I don't know, this video of a kite. Okay, and then to do that, I'm just going to copy and paste it actually. And then I'm just going to freeze frame it. And then on this one, you can either remove object, but you'll need Capcut Pro. So the other next best thing is to get like an area from maybe this, for instance, and then go back to basic, just like mask it, and then place it on top, scale it up like by a lot, and then feather it. I know it's not perfect, and obviously you're going to adjust it and you're going to move it using keyframes. So here I'll just add in a keyframe. Actually, add the keyframe on the basic settings. So when it moves, you're just going to move it. And then here again, of course. And then as you can see, it's a little bit darker, so you can actually just go to adjustments here and kind of make it as close to like the other part of the sky, but it just looks blue without the kites. So like, yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. Hope this was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.